Hello, your 60-second update is here for the week. The three things we're going to talk about: number one, use of AI in the US; number two, bad travel data; and number three, Meta glasses. So, the first thing this week is the news that in America, at least, 31% of people who are surveyed this summer by Pew say that they use AI many times a day or even continuously. Really in-depth piece of research, which you can find in the links below, outlines also that 27% of people when surveyed say they would not like AI to help them or assist them in their daily tasks. And we'll talk about agents and agentic AI being the number one thing that people are going to be doing, perhaps goes against that. But it does allow us to get really in-depth research about how AI is being used across all sorts of demographics and industries. So if you want to have a look at that, I highly recommend you do. Second thing this week is some other research produced that says in the world of travel, particularly, we are very bad at connecting our data to get a better understanding of our customers. Around 88% of travel businesses do not have a single customer view to see what they've booked, how much they've spent, how many times they've traveled, and what their preferences may or may not be. We know from our own experience that data is not very good in the world of travel, and we always try and say, use an API rather than AI. And what we mean by that is linking your data to various different systems together will always be more beneficial than a fancy AI on top of bad data. So if you're going to invest, make sure you go API first. And the third thing to talk about is the news that Meta have released a range of sunglasses or glasses where you can see a digitized version of the world through your Ray-Bans that sit on your face. Do we really want Meta to have a view of our world, controlling what we see and what we look at, when Mr. Zuckerberg has got a pretty bad track record of being, well, how should we say, scrupulous or rather unscrupulous? Personally, I think the idea of these things is absolutely abhorrent, but you may disagree, and the values that you get from them may be more beneficial. Any thoughts? I would very much welcome them. That's it from me. See you next time.